Well, there goes our front that moved through yesterday. You can see that some showers are beginning to show up across the lower peninsula. For us, it's been a mostly sunny day across the region. We have seen a few clouds closer to Lawrence and the Keweenaw Peninsula, but also behind this system has been the wind and the slightly cool air that we have seen throughout the day, as highs have mainly been in the 40s right across the shorelines here of Lake Superior, and farther southward we have seen more of the upper 50s. But here's a look at our current conditions. We are at 45 degrees with winds coming out of the northeast at 17 miles per hour, and some sun, and we should see a mostly clear overnight with a few clouds beginning to push their way in during the late evening going past midnight. But at 45 degrees for us here in Marquette, and seeing more of the 40s farther off to the west. But once again, that is the farther north you go along Lake Superior at 48 and Lawrence 48, also in Ontonagon. The farther south you head, and you'll start to see more of those mid and upper 50s. Crystal Falls at 59 degrees and at 54 in Ironwood. But that is also a cool off from what we saw over the past couple of days, and we're seeing the same values as you go off to the east right here. Munising at 47, 55 in Escanaba. Iron Mountain currently at 59 degrees, and Ishpeming at 45 for you. Our winds coming out of that north direction at 15 and Houghton at 21 in Marquette, and at 17 coming in from the south in Munising. So it's been a pretty breezy afternoon for all of us, but over into Ironwood we are seeing winds beginning to die off for us. We'll see more of a wind between 5 to 10 as we head into the evening, so not quite as windy for us, but we will keep that wind around, as it looks like temperatures will drop closer to the lower 30s for overnight lows tonight. And your temperatures across the state, more of the upper 40s, lower 50s. Looks like farther south you're seeing some of the 60s, but cooler air mass is pushing in. This is your 24-hour temperature change, and you're seeing a 14-degree drop off from right now than where we were yesterday at this time in Marquette. 8 degrees cooler in Ironwood and at Iron Mountain, and at 7 degrees cooler in Ironwood. Some clouds are possible for us tonight, and we could even see them coming in from the northeast from a system that just passed off to our east. Could throw a few clouds back closer to our region. That could even include a very small chance of a few sprinkles, but that is around 5%. More sun as we head into Thursday afternoon, and then into the weekend, and that's when things really start to get better for us. Expecting more of the upper 60s, maybe even the 70s as we head into Sunday, but there is a slight chance of rain also that will be accompanied with that. But here's a look at our setup. Jet stream still off to our west, so we do have that cooler air in place, but look at how the warmth is building just off to our west, going into the northern plains and northern Midwest, all the way into southern Canada. All of this is going to work its way eastward. Don't you worry, we will get in on the action soon enough. But before tomorrow, we do keep that slightly cooler air mass in place for us, as we'll see that mostly the rain and stuff will be well off to our south. Your Futurecast model through tonight, seeing that mostly clear skies will become partly cloudy as that wave of clouds does come in from the northeast, but after the morning hours, we're expecting this to die off quickly, seeing a lot of sun heading into Thursday evening and Thursday night, seeing more of the clear skies before another system gets close to the region. But once again, it looks like the rain dies off with that one, and it will just be a partly cloudy sky as we get closer to Saturday, and then really seeing rain chances pick up slightly for us by Sunday. Tonight will drop down to 33 degrees, partially clear for us. Winds coming in from the north around 5 to 10 miles per hour, so not as breezy, but we'll see the winds pick up slightly as we head into the afternoon, around 10 to 15. Cool with sunshine returning for us, especially during the afternoon and the evening hours. More of the lower 50s for highs in Lawrence, 53 degrees in Ontonagon, calling for the lower 60s in Crystal Falls, Florence, and in Iron Mountain, while at 45 in Munising and more of the middle 40s in Marquette. Bust out forecast tomorrow morning will be at 33 degrees, winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour coming out of the north. And your 7-day forecast after the coolish Thursday, we'll see more of that milder air mass return for us on Friday and Saturday. Actually pretty warm for us. Highs in the 60s, and seeing lows return to the 40s by Saturday morning. And there's that chance of rain as we get into Sunday, but also notice temperatures 70 degrees for your high there. So could be a very pleasant day for us. We'll see just how much rain we do actually get, but either way, we are expecting it to be a mostly cloudy day for us on Sunday before slightly cooler air comes in behind that, and we'll knock those temperatures back down into the upper 50s and the lower 60s for highs.